So the iPhone 11 has hit the market, and as you can see, there is a queue forming behind me. I'm gonna say one thing: the Apple shop closes in 10 minutes, and there's actually still somebody waiting patiently in the queue to pick up their iPhone. Should have got it online, mate. Should have got it online. This is the official iPhone case, and it's open here. And also, there's the same issue with it's quite deep in. And also, this doesn't blend.
It's not flush.
It's not flush.
So
I don't think I'm going to get this one. I'm going to just get one of these from eBay, but a nice one. So Asha, I noticed you got 2 bags there next to you.
I just bought a phone.
Good evening, Mr. Cairo. I've been expecting you. What have you got inside the bag? What?
Hello? Hello? The reception on these phones are really bad. Hello? Yes. Yes, I am. I have got the iPhone. I just walked in and got it on the first day. No pre-order. What?
What are you doing with an iPhone?
I don't know, man. I was coerced. I walked in. I didn't like that it was smaller than my Note, but I want to check out this. I want to check it out. I want to give it a shot. I haven't had an iPhone in about 5 years. Maybe it's time. All right, we're official Apple fanboys, but does your phone do that live focus?
No, it fucks you.
Beats by Nibs.
Gorgeous. It's an unfair test. It's an unfair test.
Is it?
Yeah. I reckon the Samsung looks better now.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, Samsung is better.
Yeah, and this lighting.
Oh, wow.
What's
The
going
iPhone's
on?
really grainy. Oh my gosh.
All right, we are in amazing lighting over here and trying to deduce who has the better camera in this kind of lighting condition. It's tough. I reckon, I don't know, man. I don't know anymore. All right, we're here in a car park. It's kind of dark. Yeah. Who has the nicer phone once again? Ultrawide. Or are they pretty much? Or are they pretty much the same? Did I drop them?
Yes, you almost dropped them. My heart is pounding. Give me back my phone.
All right, this is the iPhone 11 Pro versus the Samsung Galaxy Note 10 Plus. They both have their normal camera views. This is a beautiful, beautiful sunny day. Looks gorgeous. I'm gonna use the telephoto. This is the telephoto. Which one is better? You know what?
The funniest part about having a photo taken is the iPhone cameras look comical.
Yeah?
There's 3 little round things, like what the hell? Why are there 3 cameras? It looks so funny, oh my god.
All right, this is actually a dark corridor and both phones are showing them as bright. I gotta say, the Note 10 Plus may be slightly brighter, or no, it's just different skin tones. So you're more yellow on the iPhone,
Ooh.
and you're more red on the Note 10 Plus. But not in a bad way. Telephoto. This is what, ooh, they're both grainy. It's nice, because it is dark. You gotta remember this is a dark test. See that the iPhone is over sharpened, and the Samsung is blurry. And let's see ultrawide. and ultrawide. Ooh, it's an interesting test. I like it because they both look different. Which is the better video camera? And let's take a picture.
Oh, this is so nice.
Is it actually nice?
Yeah.
Okay, that sounds
It's so much nicer than the iPhone 8. Oh my god.
Okay, record. Hello, I am using the Note 10 Plus and you are...
I am using the iPhone 11 Pro.
Who looks better? Is it me or is it...
It's me.
Is it the iPhone or is it the...
Samsung S10.
And let's see which one has the wider field of view. Because they said the iPhone 11 has a wider field of view, doesn't it?
Well, I can see most of my arm in your one.
It looks the same. Let's try taking a picture.
Okay. This is so cool. I love this camera.
You like it?
Yes.
Okay, go.
So good.
All right. No, your one's wider. So, let's see. 3, 2, 1. All right.
Now what do we do?
I don't know. Let's do a front-facing camera test. Quick one.
Yeah.
All right, let's see.
Oh, look, you can
the
zoom in.
Show
You can zoom in.
Show the zoom.
Oh my god. Okay, you guys ready? Okay. So 0.5.
Zoom in.
Wow, look at that. That is so cool.
Okay.
So that is 1.
That is a nice. I like the
That's
ultrawide.
nice. And 2, really get in there. I like this. Love it. I think we're going to take this out on the road. We're going to do some testing for you guys. We're going to show you an in-depth review of the camera, the battery life, the speed, the radiation. Oh my god, we've got so much planned for you.
Okay. Let's do it. Okay, stay tuned.
Whoa.
Is it cool? Is ultrawide good?
It's all right.
It looks fun.
Yeah, it's fun. It's great that you can just intermix the two together.
And you can zoom in and all that stuff.
Yeah.
Wow.
I'm going to show these guys a nice view. So here we have, it's beautiful, beautiful. Whoa.
See, the great thing about the iPhone that I've noticed from you is that the zoom transition between ultrawide and normal and telephoto, it seems seamless. Whereas on the Samsung, they can fix it in software. I mean, Google's been running Android developer conferences telling you how to do it. But anyway, yeah, it's Samsung's a bit, it just jumps, it snaps between the cameras, whereas this one is kind of like a seamless transition, isn't it?
Yeah, and do you know what's also awesome? Usually I'm used to just seeing like this much of your body.
Oh, so you see more?
And I'm seeing the whole steering wheel,
is it 'cause you're
I'm seeing
ultrawide?
your leg,
You're ultrawide,
I'm seeing the back seat, I'm seeing everything.
Quick tidbit, yeah? So, I used to buy those lenses that you put on top of phones to make it go ultra-wide, and the quality was abysmal, it made it all blurry, and interestingly enough, about 3 years ago, LG, they released the first smartphone with a built-in ultra-wide camera, and every single reviewer out there said it was a gimmick and no one would use it. So, check out the reviews, and let's see if they still call it a gimmick and if no one will use it. Sponsored. LG didn't pay enough, you know, didn't sponsor enough. You enjoying yourself?
I love it, it's great. It's funny because the focus point when you zoom in is like, where is the focus? Because it randomly focuses in the middle of the screen. So interesting. There we go. You have to get the face. Ooh, what's this one? You can even wow.
What's going on?
Oh wow, you can actually like change the zoom.
I look different. Hey, check out my guns,
good.
bro.
What?
Do I look like? Is this what I look like?
I think the iPhone is really kind to you. I look photoshopped.
I look alright.
I look gorgeous. You look gorgeous.
Whoa.
I really like this. I love the iPhone.